So today I want to solve inverse Z transform using partial fraction. So this is a question and this is the value of ROC. So first of all, we simplify the x of z. Then I simplify the value of x of z, and the simplified value is this. And second step is divide by z, total value divide by z. And then step 3, we used partial fraction method. So this is a value and this is a partial fraction method. This is and this is. So how to find the value of x? A. So x of z divided by z multiply of denominator, and here we can put 0.5 in this, so it term becomes 0. So we can use z value is 0.5 and this value is this and multiply by it, and we can cut this value, and now we can put the 0.5 is here, it becomes 1, and find the value of b as well as x of z by z. And what is the denominator? We put here, and x is equal to v 0.25 we put in this equation, it term becomes 0. So the value of z is here 0.25 and this term is cancelled, and now we put the value is here, it becomes minus 1. Step 4, now put the value of a and b in above equation, so it becomes this, and the value of z multiply of this, so it becomes x of z is this. And the formula of inverse z transform, z by z minus a inverse z transform becomes e to power n mu of n. So we can find x of n 0.5 to power n and mu of n, and this is also. And the first is find ROC z greater than 0.5. So it is right value, so we it's x, the value of x of n is as well as, and z, the value of z is less than 0.5, we can do some changes like minus u minus n minus 1 in the place of mu of n. So this is a less than 0.25 and this is the ROC value 0.25 less than z greater than 0.5. So here 0.25 0.5 and is greater than and is less than. So less than is 0.5, so we need some changes in 0.5 and 0.25 as well as. So this is the answer. Thank you.